All right, here we go. We're in Central Standard Time. The time is 8:58 on a Monday evening. We're trying a 10 simple versus a 20 simple on the OTC market here. We're going to do a few buy-ins, probably every few seconds, every 5 seconds maybe. And we're going to see how it plays out. So we're doing a 1 minute expiry versus a 1 minute candle. We are doing a 10 versus a 20, 10 simple and 20 simple. If it pulls back to the crossover here, we'll buy some more. Our balance was around 53.60, and so we're going to try to pull that out ahead on the demo here. And if it pushes against us, we will buy up down here. This one does have a lot of momentum, so it may push on through. We bought right after this candle closed at the crossover is when it flipped over. We got the first one as a win, the second one as a win, and we're waiting for the third one here, and the third one as a win on demo. Okay, so what we did was a simple 10 versus a simple 20. You can try those as weighted, and it also will work pretty well for you. We did three $100 buys, so we've got a profit of 92 times 3, almost $300 profit. And so that's where we would stop the trading for that session and try to walk away from that and not get too greedy. Okay, y'all have a great one, and we'll see you on the other side. That took about 2 minutes, and you would have made almost $300, but of course this can always push against you the other way, and then you can end up buying in the wrong direction, and you can wipe out your account pretty quick. All right, so y'all be careful trading binary options, and have a great one. This is Pocket Option here.